Hello, it's Tom Donald from the London Contemporary School of Piano and wishing you a wonderful Christmas season. I thought I'd show you the way I like to play Silent Night, this beautiful piece of music. And it's a fairly simple piece. It's only traditionally really has 3 chords 1, 4 and 5. But I'm going to show you some ways you can jazz it up and do your own thing. And if you'd like to support our work at the London Contemporary School of Piano in this season of giving, well, you can just head over to the subscribe button so you can see more of the work that we're going to be releasing in the new year. We've got some really exciting things on the way. Can't wait to share them all with you. So, Silent Night. Chord 1, C major. Chord 5, G major. C major, F major, chord 4, chord 1, chord 4, chord 1, chord 5, chord 1, 1, 5, 1. And such beautiful melodies can just have 3 chords. It's wonderful, isn't it? So the first thing I just want to show you is that you can figure out a lot of Christmas carols by ear just by knowing the major scale. Even on our trusty easy C major scale, Christmas melodies are often constructed just on a clean major scale without any extra dissonances or mixtures added or modulations. So Silent Night is no exception to that. It starts on the 5th note of the scale. And the melody comprises of some intervals. You can see that 3rd interval moving down. And then the next phrase, it's just a matter of finding what interval does the phrase start on and what note does this phrase start on. And if you establish those 2 things and you just pick the major scale you wish to play the song in, you can do this in any major scale you want, by the way. You don't just have to play it in C major. Then you're well on your way to working out some of these beautiful tunes by ear. And that's a really good exercise to do. I have so many students who approach me around about December and panic. They want to learn some Christmas carols at the last minute. And I know what that's like, but I think in this situation it's better to then really use our ear. And when we learn how to use our ear, we can learn these sort of things or play these things at short notice with far less practice. Much better to spend the whole year round practicing on working on our ear so we can pull off last-minute Christmas carols or last-minute anythings with music. That makes it much more dynamic. So now let's have a look at ways of harmonizing this piece. I'm really excited to show you some extra chords we can add to spice this up. And if you'd like to get your hands on a crib sheet and a lead sheet of some of the chords that I'm using, just visit our website, contemporaryschoolofpiano.com, and just drop us an email. Let us know you've seen our Christmas video. And in the spirit of giving, we will give you our little lead sheet we have of Silent Night. So I'm going to show you some of my favorite chords that I put into this. Now this is where I'm going to make a change. I've got my G major, but now I'm going to add a G sharp diminished chord, moving to an A minor. So let's do that again. G major, G sharp diminished, A minor, and then I'm going to play an F sharp half diminished, which is this. What I love about the half diminished chord, an easy way to break down a half diminished chord is I could just call it an A minor with an F sharp in the left hand. But what I love about the quality of that half diminished chord, it has this dream-like quality to it. Impressionistic composers like Debussy uses this chord a lot. I just love to sit there and improvise on a half diminished chord and arpeggiate them, tremolo them. You get all these dreamlike effects in the music. Okay, back to Silent Night. So I've got C major with a G in the bass, G7, but instead of going back to the C major, that's boring. I'm going to procrastinate. I'm going to go to an A flat major, the flattened 6 of the scale, and to a B flat major 7, or a ninth. I could add some jazz harmonies to that, finishing on a C major, and I'll put some suspended notes in there, suspended seconds. So I can also play Silent Nights with lots of suspended second chords and fourth chords as well. So let me do that again now I've broken that down for you. I'm going to play Silent Night. See you in the new year. Merry Christmas. If you'd like to get a copy of today's crib sheet of Silent Night, just head over to our website, contemporaryschoolofpiano.com, and drop us a line. Let us know you've seen this video, and we'll send you a copy of the crib sheet and lead sheet with our compliments. Have a Merry Christmas, everyone.